Hey beauties, here's a quick post-holiday grocery haul. I went to Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, and my local produce market. Up first, we have Trader Joe's. I bought some diced butternut squash. I started buying these pre-prepped veggies simply because they're easy and they're perfect for those weeknight dinners when you don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. I also got some packaged chicken sausage, the andouille and jalapeno chicken sausage. These are super high in protein and easy to prep. You just pop them in the broiler or in your air fryer and you have a quick serving of protein on your plate on those busy weeknights. I also picked up some frozen pineapple for my smoothies and some tart cherries for my oats. And this chili onion crunch is bomb. It's delicious on your eggs, your sandwiches, on top of your chicken breast, and even on your veggies. Absolutely delicious. And of course, you can't leave TJ's without some treats. And on to the produce market. So the biggest thing I want to talk about here is that it's important to prep your produce right away. I wash, chop, and store my veggies right when they come home. That way they're ready to go when you want to eat. So for example, I'll wash and chop my lettuce for salads and sandwiches. I'll wash and chop my sweet potatoes to make French fries. I'll wash and store my strawberries and my apples so that they're ready to eat when I want a snack. Being prepared is going to be the best way to help you stay consistent with your nutrition goals in the new year. And on to Whole Foods. I got some pre-shaved broccoli and Brussels sprouts. I just popped these on a cookie sheet with some oil and spices. I actually have some recipes for both of these items in my cookbook, which is linked in the description box below. I also got some frozen strawberries. I like to add those to my smoothies, and I also use them for homemade ice cream. Dave's Killer Bread is awesome. They make English muffins, burger buns, hot dog buns, regular bread, and this cinnamon raisin bread. It's a nice lower calorie alternative to traditional breads. I highly recommend it. You'll love it. It's delicious. I've got some breakfast proteins, tons of chicken breast, some cartons of egg whites for make-ahead breakfast recipes, and my nut butters, which typically replace traditional butter in a lot of my baking. And last, I have my protein supplements that I believe I picked up from Target this time, but these two brands are sold everywhere. Target, Costco, Amazon, Vitamin Shop, and the collagen is even sold in Whole Foods. So the whey protein I take after my workouts, I typically add that to my smoothies. And the collagen I drink in the morning in my cup of coffee. All right, so there's that. Thanks for watching, beauties.